I wanted to show you this new Google add-on that basically allows you to use a Google form to create a rubric, and that will automatically append to a student's Google document. So what I mean is, let me just show you a sample one. So sample rubric. The first thing you want to do is the first question that you have needs to be the identifier. So that's going to tell the form which document you want it saved to. So let's just call that student name for a minute, and let me choose from a list. I'm going to call my student student 1, student 2, and student 3. Okay, so the next question that I have is criteria 1. Let's make that a 5-point scale. Let's add another one. And then let's make our last thing some comment. Okay, so when I'm done, basically what I have to do is in my Google Drive, I have set up a folder, and I would have had all my students' work submitted to this folder. So the names of the documents are going to be the names of the students. So I can explain this better, but I just want to show you what this is all about. So once I do that, I would go ahead and in my add-ons just use this docAppender. Open sidebar, and then you just pick this target folder where you want to read from, where all your students' work has been submitted. So I called that my rubric test folder, so that's all I have to do is select it. Next, and then student name was the list question that's going to match me to the document, and I'll show you how that works. So then I can say which of the things that I want to show up on the student paper, so I'm going to have those show up. I can have it as a bulleted list, I can have it as a vertical table or rows, but that doesn't really matter. Let me just show you what this looks like. So now that I'm done with that, I'll just go to my form, and then I'll say, okay, on student 3, she gets a 5 and a 3, and well done. Submit. Then when that student goes to her paper, you'll see that at the end of her paper, the rubric score has come up. And that's about it. So if this looks like something that's interesting, let me know and we can set it up. It's really, really easy.